Hey guys and gals, guess who's back? It's your dude, Sober Chef Eric, and I'm back here with another quick and easy recipe. And this is going to be one of a new series as well. What do you ask? Well, it's going to be 5 ingredients are left. That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it? So check out this intro, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys and gals, thanks for watching my intro. I really appreciate that. Now to the really simple 5 ingredient salsa. So we're going to start off with the primary ingredient, Rotel canned tomatoes. Now I did drain one just so it's not super soupy. And as you can see, I'm using the green chili with lime and cilantro. And then here's the second can with all the wonderful juicy juice in it. Ingredient 1, done. This is going to be one of the simplest, most tasty salsas you and your friends are ever going to enjoy. Now, 1 can diced mangoes. Now I did drain most of the liquid off, but having a little left, no big deal. And I've got half a cup of diced red onions because I love to have some crunch in there. And then because you know I like it spicy, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of diced jalapenos. And see, there's still quite a bit left, but don't worry guys, they will get used. And then 2 tablespoons of lime juice, or the juice of 2 limes. And we're going to give this a little stir. Now, one of my friends has that gene to where it makes cilantro taste like dirt. So normally I would add some fresh cilantro in here, but that would make it 6 ingredients. 6 ingredients bad. 5 ingredients good. So as you can see, nice, chunky. It's not really a restaurant style, but if you want restaurant style, all you do is throw it in a blender or use a stick blender or whatever, and bada bing, bada boom, guess what? You got a restaurant salsa. But I myself like it chunky. So we'll be right back and I'll show you the taste test. Oh, taste test. Alrighty guys and gals, take a look at this. Isn't that just wonderful? Now if you want to know where I got these wonderful Pyrex mixing bowls, I got them right there on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link right down below. And just so you know, that is an affiliate, so you know, for every sale I'll get a few pennies, but that's one way you can support the channel. Now for the good stuff. Oh, and remember, don't forget that like button, and subscribe if you want to see more tasty, easy recipes. So let me get a nice little chip here, show it to you. Oh, that's so good, I'm going in for another one. Oh. Oh. Foodgasm. Well guys and gals, I appreciate you tuning in, checking out my video. I'll be having some more 5 ingredients or less. Some will be dessert, some will be side dishes, some will be entrees. So that'll be on a playlist right down there below as well. So if you could please hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. Just leave me a message, let me know why. It really helps me out. And you know, if you want to see some more content like this, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment down below and let me know. All right, remember guys, gals, life's too short to eat bad food.